Welcome to Quiz T10. This video is all about general knowledge questions on India for all types of competitive exams. This is part 2, and for part 1 you can refer to the link in the description. This video is also helpful for knowledge and fun as well. Don't just watch, play along and comment in the comment box on how much you scored while challenging yourself. You can pause the video for more time. Let's get started. The famous rock-cut caves of Ajanta and Ellora are located in which present-day state? Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Which classic work of Vatsyayana is all about love and relationship? Kama Sutra, Arthashastra, Natyashastra, Charaka Samhita. Correct answer is Kama Sutra. In which complex is the ancient iron pillar known for never rusting located? Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Humayun's Tomb, India Gate. Correct answer is Qutub Minar. The Satyavahana dynasty primarily ruled over which region of India? North India, Deccan region, Eastern India, extreme South India. Correct answer is Deccan region, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Which physician, known as the father of Indian medicine, authored the Charaka Samhita? Sushruta, Charaka, Patanjali, Aryabhatta. Correct answer is Charaka. The famous ancient port city of Arikamedu was located near which present-day city? Kochi, Chennai, Puducherry, Visakhapatnam. Correct answer is Puducherry. Who is credited with authoring the Natyashastra, the ancient Indian treatise on dramaturgy and performing arts? Kalidasa, Bharatamuni, Panini, Valmiki. Correct answer is Bharatamuni. What are the famous Iron Age megalithic sites in South India best known for? Massive stone palaces, burial monuments and iron tools, ancient irrigation systems, gold and bronze statues. Correct answer is burial monuments and iron tools. What was the ancient name of Patna? Kashi, Avantika, Pataliputra, Indraprastha. Correct answer is Pataliputra. During which ancient Indian period were the concept of zero and the decimal system significantly developed? Vedic period, Mauryan period, Gupta period, Harappan period. Correct answer is Gupta period. The famous rock-cut kathas and shore temples are architectural marvels of which South Indian dynasty? Chalukyas, Cheras, Pallavas, Pandyas. Correct answer is Pallavas. In which region did the Rig Vedic Aryans primarily live? Deccan Plateau, Eastern India, Sapta Sindhu, Gangetic Plains. Correct answer is Sapta Sindhu, land of 7 rivers. Who was the last great Hindu emperor of North India whose empire fell apart after his death in 1647 CE? Pulakeshin II, Harshavardhana, Skandagupta, Vikramaditya. Correct answer is Harshavardhana. What is the Sangam age of South India named after? A famous temple, literary assemblies of Tamil poets, a royal dynasty, ancient trade routes. Correct answer is literary assemblies of Tamil poets. Where is the famous rock-cut Elephanta caves dedicated to Lord Shiva located? Kochi, Mumbai, Goa, Chennai. Correct answer is Mumbai. Who was the founder of the Bahamani Sultanate in the Deccan? Malik Ambar, Yusuf Adil Shah, Alauddin Bahman Shah, Malik Kafur. The correct answer is Alauddin Bahman Shah. The Qutub Minar was finally completed by which Sultan of Delhi? Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji, Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Correct answer is Iltutmish. The first battle of Panipat in 1526 CE was fought between Babur and which ruler? Hemu, Ibrahim Lodi, Rana Sanga, Sher Shah Suri. Correct answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Who built the Purana Killa in Delhi and defeated Humayun, forcing him into exile? Babur, Sher Shah Suri, Akbar, Hemu. Correct answer is Sher Shah Suri. The Din-e-Ilahi, a syncretic religion, was proclaimed by which Mughal emperor? Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir. Correct answer is Akbar. Who compiled the Adi Granth, the holy scripture of Sikhism? Guru Nanak Dev, Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Tej Bahadur. Correct answer is Guru Arjan Dev. The revenue system known as Sabti or Bandobast was introduced during the reign of Sher Shah Suri, Akbar, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Akbar. Which Mughal emperor's tomb is located outside India in Lahore, present-day Pakistan? Humayun, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Jahangir. The famous Akbarnama, the official chronicle of Akbar's reign, was written by Qazi, Birbal, Todarmal, Abul Fazl. Correct answer is Abul Fazl. The Battle of Khanwa in 1527 CE was fought between Babur and which powerful Rajput ruler? Prithviraj Chauhan, Rana Sangha, Maharana Pratap, Jai Singh I. Correct answer is Rana Sangha. Which Mughal emperor was known as Zinda Peeth due to his austere lifestyle? Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Aurangzeb. The famous Red Fort in Delhi was constructed by which Mughal emperor? Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Shahjahan. Who was the Maratha leader known for pioneering guerrilla warfare tactics against the Mughals? Sambhaji, Shivaji Maharaj, Rajaram, Shaho. Correct answer is Shivaji Maharaj. Which Mughal emperor's reign is often referred to as the golden age of Mughal architecture? Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is Shahjahan. The Second Battle of Panipat in 1556 CE was fought between Akbar's force and Rana Sanga, Sher Shah Suri, Hemu, Daulat Khan Lodi. Correct answer is Hemu. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Kanpur? Begum Hazrat Mahal, Nana Sahib, Lakshmi Bai, Tantia Topi. Correct answer is Nana Sahib. Who was the Governor General of India during the Indian Rebellion of 1857? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Canning, Lord Lytton, Lord Ripon. Correct answer is Lord Canning. What major change did the Government of India Act 1858 bring to India? Ended Mughal rule, India came under direct rule of British Crown, introduced the doctrine of lapse, established the Indian National Congress. Correct answer is India came under direct rule of British Crown. The Arya Samaj, a Hindu reform movement, was founded by Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Dayananda Saraswati, Jyotiba Phule. Correct answer is Dayananda Saraswati, who is widely regarded as the father of Indian National Congress. Allen Octavian Hume, Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Naroji, Surendranath Banerjee. Correct answer is Allen Octavian Hume. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British House of Commons? Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naroji. Correct answer is Dadabhai Naroji. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Swami Vivekananda. Correct answer is Swami Vivekananda. The partition of Bengal in 1905 was carried out by which viceroy? Lord Curzon, Lord Minto, Lord Hardinge, Lord Chelmsford. Correct answer is Lord Curzon. Where was the Muslim League founded in 1906? Aligarh, Lahore, Dhaka, Lucknow. Correct answer is Dhaka. The Home Rule League movement in India was started by Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Ani Besant, Sardar Patel and C. Rajagopalacharya, Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Ani Besant. Who among the following was popularly known as Lokmanya? Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal. Correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Mahatma Gandhi first experimented with Satyagraha in India at Dandi, Champaran, Kheda, Ahmedabad. Correct answer is Champaran. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which city? Lahore, Meerut, Delhi, Amritsar. Correct answer is Amritsar. The non-cooperation movement was called off by Mahatma Gandhi after which incident? Chauri Chaura incident, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Dandi March, Simon Commission arrival. Correct answer is Chauri Chaura incident. Who founded the Swaraj Party in 1923? Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das, Sardar Patel and Rajendra Prasad, Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the quiz, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel Quiz T10 for more fun educational quizzes. Whether you are a pro or just getting started, there is something new to learn every time. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.